Yes, what's up, guys? Michael Joseph on your screen, and it is the Trading Gist. The Trading Gist, for those of you that are new to my channel, the Trading Gist is that aspect of my channel where I had to come on live to basically break the FX market chart in real time. This is the period where we come to do real time analysis. Do you understand? And I know it's been a while. It's been like 6 months or 5 months. I last posted. Come on, guys. I've got a couple of things on my hands that I was trying to handle. But I'm back, and let us go right into my chart. All right, welcome, guys, welcome right into my chart. BTC right in front of you guys, and let us do a quick top-down analysis on BTC. Let's see what the market is saying. I'm already seeing market manipulation take place right about here on the daily time frame, but anyways, let's go on the I think the monthly first. Let's go and build our case. Let's see what the market has been doing or what the market is saying from the higher time frame. You guys already know how I trade. My approach to the market is very simple. It's called the top-down analysis, or what they call the multi-time frame analysis. This is a methodology where I get to analyze the market from the higher time frame, and then I scale down lower to basically trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Forex does not have to be complicated if you know your way around. Okay, so BTC from the beginning of, I think, February 2023, BTC has been very juicy. This up move you're seeing here began from last year, early part of last year. Now, we had a dreaded crash on BTC. For those of you who do not really know what brought about this crash, you can check my previous video on BTC. I talked about what brought about this dreaded crash on BTC. So moving on, from the beginning of last year, 2023, February, I believed, we started having some strong bullish presence on BTC when this whole dreaded crash was over. Now, this whole impulse move you're seeing here that BTC gave us, this juicy movement to the upside, took about a year plus. February 2023, we are currently in November 2024. So this is about a year plus for BTC to fulfill this strong bullish momentum you're seeing to the upside. However, what the market is doing now is what is expected of the market, because you know that after every impulse move, of course you know the drills, after every impulse moves comes a period or a moment of consolidation. The market will want to rest, the market will want to catch its breath. All right, so we've had this impulse move to the upside. Now, ideally, this is what the market should do: consolidate or retrace, and then consolidate, retrace, and then give us something like this. Ideally, this is what this market should do. However, when you come on the monthly time frame, you can see that there's a strong resistance at the 69K level. This level right about here, it is what is resisting this market from at least hitting 85K and 85K to like 100K. All right, now if BTC is able to clear this zone right about here, this black bar, let me make it a bit tickle. Good. If BTC is able, and I mean, if price can break above this black bar, woo, next level target for BTC is 85K. We clear 85K, next level target for BTC is 100K. How do I know this? It's not rocket science. You just simply have to come and draw your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, and then all the next levels will just be lining up. Will just pretty much be lining up. So you don't need any indicators. Fibonacci basically will just be giving you your next level targets. Do you understand? So if we're able to clear that zone, that 86K zone that the market is currently resisting, the next level target will be 85K. If we clear 85K, next level target is 100K per coin on BTC. Guys, I can go anywhere in the world and say this is what is going to happen if we clear the zone. However, like I said, this zone currently is acting as a strong resistance. Within the last 6 months, this level has been resisting the market. The market gave us an impulse move to the upside, got to that level, and then there was a strong resistance here. We came down, retested, came down, retested, came down. So this 6 months has been hell for a lot of low time frame traders because the market has been ranging. BTC basically has been ranging for within the last 6 months. So you see the market is in an uptrend, and then the next thing we went into a range. Now I don't really like to trade ranging markets because ranging market basically it's a market that does not actually give you clear directions. Okay, you can't really build your case, build your narrative around the ranging market. The market will look like if it wants to go up, the next thing is coming down, and then before you know it's going up, the next thing is coming down. So you don't really have a clear direction to trade, and that's why when I came on BTC and I saw it doing this thing you're seeing here, I had to just put this market in a range. And I said to myself, I accept BTC break above this black bar right about here, I'm not going to have any business touching BTC because I'm interested in buying and not selling Bitcoin. However, something is looking quite interesting on BTC. If you look at it from a higher time frame perspective, if price, and I said if the market fail to break above this level, all right, BTC is going to form a chart pattern that is called the double top. And guys, you know that when you see a chart pattern forming on a higher time frame, best believe that chart pattern is going to hold, because from what I'm looking here already, this level is a very strong resistance level, and it's looking like this level is going to resist this market back to the downside. If we see a chart pattern, if I see a double top reversal at this level, best believe I'll currently be interested in shorting BTC, at least down to this level. Okay, let me just see something. Let me see something. Hold on, guys. I know we're on the monthly time frame. We're going to drop down lower to actually look at what the market is saying on lower time frames, but I like to first of all come on the higher time frame to trade. I need to build my case on the higher time frame. Okay, all right, let's see. So two things is going to happen on BTC. If we fail to break above this zone, the market is going to form a double top at this level and then drop the price back to the downside. However, like I said, I'm not interested in selling BTC. I'm only interested in buying because clearly we are in an uptrend. However, this area right about here, it's looking like a trend reversal. Double top chart patterns forming on a higher time frame is a clear case of trend reversal. Okay, so I'll have to watch out and see what happens within the few weeks to come, currently at this level. All right, so let us drop down to our lower time frame and see if we can have a bit clear picture of what the market is saying on the higher time frame. Good. Now when you come on the weekly time frame, you can see that this is the range I was talking to you guys about. On the monthly time frame, it is just maybe 6-7 candles, but when you come on the weekly time frame, this is what it is. You can't trade this, guys. This right here, this thing you're seeing right here is so many blown accounts. You can't trade this. The market wants to go up, it's not going up. It wants to come down, it's not coming down. Okay, go up, it's not going up. Come down, it's coming. Go up, it's not going. Come down, go up. This is going to mess with your trading capital, and it's definitely going to mess with your trading account. So like I said, when I saw this thing going on BTC, I had to simply put the market in a range, and this is what I am expecting this market to do. Blow above this level, sustain above this level, and then I'm setting that 85K is short. If we move from 85K, I'm setting 100K is short. How do I know this? Fibonacci pretty much drew the levels for me. All right, and of course you know that Fibonacci is a very powerful tool. So what am I expecting from Bitcoin? Bitcoin is now in a range. We are in this range. I can't really do anything in this range. Okay, so I'm waiting for the market to clear this zone, clear this range, and let's go. However, in the event that the market refuses to clear this level, it means that this level is a strong resistance level that can resist the market back to the downside. Okay, so you see how I'm building the case from the monthly to the weekly, and then we're going on the daily. Let's see, in the event that the market refuses to blow up, what should we be looking at for? Okay, what can we trade here? Good. So this is the daily time frame, and oof, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this whole thing. This is a mess. This is going to mess with your account. The market is clearly in a range. It's clearly in a range. Ideally, I want to see this market break out of this range. You can imagine, guys. You can imagine this is a ranging market. Let me see something. Hold on. All right. For those of you who like trading ranging market, I think this is what you can do. This is what you can do if you like. Personally, for me, I do not like to trade ranging markets, but if you want to trade it, this is the best thing I think you can do. This right here is a clear case of market manipulation. This what you're seeing right about this zone. This is a clear case of market manipulation, and let's see if the price can clear. Okay, so if we clear this level, we're coming to test this. If we clear this inner trend line, we're coming to test the outer trend line. Okay, so this is basically what's going to happen on this market. The moment we clear the inner trend line, we're definitely coming to test the outer trend line, which is this level right about here. If we clear that, we're definitely coming to test this guy right about here. So I'm not interested in selling BTC, but if you want to sell BTC, this is just the ideal way to sell BTC. Let us see. I want to see how the price will react at this level, and if this level sustain, if the price sustain above this level, that means BTC can simply blow out of the range. Right? If we can, as a matter of fact, sustain BTC. This is first, second, third touch of the trend line. If we blow out of this trend line, we're definitely coming to, we're blowing out of the range for sure. But like I said, if we break the outer trend line, we're coming to test the inner trend line. So let's see if the market can do something like this. Let's see if we should be expecting something like this out of the something like this. All right, or the price can decide to also let me see. We can decide to also break out of the inner trend line and test the outer trend line for something right about here, back to the upside. You understand? But basically, I'm only interested when I see this market break out of this range. Okay, I'll only be interested when I see the market break out of this range. Don't forget, from the higher time frame, let me put this guy. This guy is a strong resistance level. I think I'm just going to clone this one. Clone this guy and put him here. I'm just going to clone this guy and put him here. Good. So this is what we are currently looking at on BTC. So like I said, guys, let's see if the price is going to come and test this outer trend line, or we're going to react on the inner trend line and then definitely blow out of the range. So this is, if you're the type that like to trade counter trend trade, then maybe if you break out of this inner trend line, you can just go for a retest and then drop down. Your first level target should obviously be at the 100% retracement level here. And looking at it from the daily time frame perspective, I'm just going to wait. So you see how I'm building this case from the weekly. The monthly is telling me this market is bullish, all right? However, I'm seeing what is looking like a double top from the monthly time frame, and of course I know that the market is ranging. So if the double top holds, the market is going to bleed down further. Definitely we'll clear this out inner trend line and definitely come to clear out this outer trend line. And of course the market may decide to bleed either all the way to this yellow bar 60k, or we bleed all the way to 53k. But I think we can clear this outer trend line, this inner trend line rather, and then the outer trend line can also resist. Best believe that when the price gets to this level, the price will always react. Like you can see that the market is already reacting at this level on this trend line. So this can serve as a third touch of the trend line, the inner trend line, and then blow the market all the way to the upside. Okay, if this happens, then this is what I'm potentially looking at for from here. Boom, this should be what I will be looking at for. Sorry. Oops. This is what I'll be looking at for, guys. And then we go. Voila. That's if it happens. However, if the double top we're seeing on the monthly time frame holds, then this inner trend line is going to break, and then the market will definitely come and test this outer trend line for the third time, and that is when we can see something like this happen on the market. We can break out of this trend line, do something like this, and of course blow back all the way, either to test this level or blow out of the range. So whichever one market decides to do, I'm just optimistic. But like I said, the market is in a range, and I'll not be interested in selling. I'll only be interested in buying BTC. So ideally, I'll be waiting for price to break out of this range before I go shopping. So this is BTC, guys, in a nutshell. Trade safely. So ideally, like I said, I don't trade ranging market, but in the event that what we're seeing on the higher time frame wants to hold, then definitely if it holds, the market is going to bleed back to the downside, and these are the levels that it's definitely going to be respected. So when you're trading, for those of you that are skilled in trading counter trend trades, you definitely now know your levels and where to take your profits. But be careful, the overall trend, as you can see from the higher time frame, is bullish. Okay, however, let's see if I'm saying something. Hold on, guys. I'm seeing a level here. Let me take this guy out. I'm seeing something like this. This is looking like a left shoulder head. The market can decide to come and form a right shoulder right about here, and then we bleed. So but let's keep our fingers crossed and see what price is going to tell us. You know, I'm a pure price action trader, and I'll only move by what price has to say. So when price detects what it wants to do next, then I'm definitely going to swing in that direction. But I'm hoping we blow out of this level and we can hit 85k and 100k. You know, your BTC gurus will start rejoicing and start shouting, "I told you guys, I told you." All right, guys. So BTC in a nutshell. Peace out. Yes, guys, thank you for staying to the very end of that quite educative but lengthy. It's a bit lengthy. If you have the patience to watch the video to the end, I think you're going to find value. And if you find value in what we're doing, you want to consider subscribing to our channel and, of course, turning on the notification bell so that whenever we drop juicy videos like this, YouTube is definitely going to notify you. And I think within the week, I'm also going to be looking at the euro dollar, and of course the GBP JPY. So if you have any pair you want to have clarity on that you would like me to touch on, you can also leave it within the comment section, and I'm definitely going to look at it and get back to you. So thank you, God bless you, I love you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm back.